Hey everyone, in today's WhatsApp video, I want to show you how to use WhatsApp stickers. This update came out back in 2018, but most people aren't using it. So I wanted to make a quick video to show you exactly how to get the stickers and how to use them inside of messages. So right inside of your WhatsApp, go to the chats option because you have to start a chat in order to use the stickers. And here, pick a person you want to chat with if they're on your recent list, or press compose a message right on top and pick a person. I'm going to jump into a pre-existing conversation here. And on this page, I'm going to press the message box here to send a message. But instead of typing something, I'm going to send a sticker. That's just this little sticker icon right here inside of the message box. Press that. And if you've never used this before, there shouldn't be anything here, and you have to press the plus sign on the right side of the page. Press that. And the way the stickers work is you actually have to download the different packs onto your WhatsApp first. So you see the down arrow here, that's the download option. But you could go through all these different types of packages here of stickers. And let's say you like one of them, like the Cocoa one here. I'll press download next to it, and as you can see, as soon as you get the check mark, it's been downloaded, and now you have the package. So you could do this with multiple different ones, and when they get an update, you could go ahead and press the update next to each one to have the latest one. Let me come down on here and back to my messages here, and I'll press the sticker one more time. And now you see the ones I've downloaded show up here. So this is the Cocoa one, and these are some other packages that I've downloaded, including Cuppy here. So let me go back to Cocoa, and to send a sticker, now that you've downloaded it, you just have to tap it, and it will send it right away. So if I wanted to send multiple stickers here with my messages, I could go ahead and do that and jump between them. And it's that simple to download stickers to WhatsApp and send them inside of messages. Thanks so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for easy to follow tech videos, and I'll see you next time.